Hello students, I welcome you all in our today's lecture. So in this lecture we are going to start with our new lesson HCF and LCM. Now let's start with revision. First of all, prime numbers. The numbers which have the factors only 1 and the number itself are called as prime numbers. Let's see in examples. If you see the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 29, etc. In these examples, if you see the factors are only 1 and the number itself. Let's see the example of 2. If you see the factors of 2, 1 and 2. If you see the factors of 29, 1 and 29. So here if you see the factors, they are only the 1 and number itself. These numbers are called as prime numbers. This we already studied in standard 6. Now see the composite numbers. The numbers which have 2 or more than 2 factors are called as composite numbers. For examples, 12, 45, 80, 4, 34 and many more are the examples of composite numbers. After that, co-prime numbers. If you see the co-prime numbers, in co-prime numbers only 1 as a common factor. If you see this example 10 and 21, in these two numbers they are co-primes. Why they are co-primes? Because the divisors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10, and while the divisors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. If you observe these the divisors of both numbers 10 and 21, only factor 1 is common in between them. So some other examples of co-prime numbers are 3 and 8, 4 and 9, 21 and 22, 22 and 23, 23 and 24. These are some examples of co-prime numbers. Let's see the next one, twin prime numbers. In twin prime numbers, if the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. For example, 3 and 5. If these are two are the prime numbers and the difference between 3 and 5 is 2. If you see the pair 5 and 7, this is also 2. So in all these numbers, twin prime numbers, the difference is 2, and that is why they are called as twin prime numbers. As we already studied in twin prime numbers, the pairs of numbers, there are total 8 pairs from 1 to 100 numbers. There are total 8 pairs of twin prime numbers. Now we are going to see factorizing a number into its prime factors. What is mean by prime word? Prime means what? The factors are only prime numbers. The factors are only prime numbers. Let's see with example. Here we have to follow, or the mathematician Euclid, he has given some one rule for explain the factorizing a number into its prime factors. What this rule says? The rule says that any composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. Means whenever any composite number is there and if we write all the factors, means that factors are all prime numbers. Means composite number we can write in the product of prime numbers also. Let's see with example. Now method for finding prime numbers. There are two methods. Already you studied two methods for finding factors of the numbers, but here only the difference is we are going to find out only prime factors. So let's see the first example. Write the number 24 in the form of product of its prime factors. Now here are two methods. If you see first one is vertical method, second one is horizontal method. Vertical means vertically the numbers are arranged, and horizontal means horizontally the numbers are arranged. Now see the first one. If you see number 24, 24 is divisible by 2. Listen, while finding the prime factors, always you have to start with the smallest prime number. If the given number is not divisible by 2, which is the smallest prime number? It is 2. If the number 24, or if any number, means whatever number is given to you, If that number is not divisible by 2, then you have to go to the next prime number, that is 3. And if the given number is not divisible by 2 also and 3 also, then you have to go to next number, that is 3. If you see this number 24, this number is divisible by 2. And if you see the factors, when you divide to this 24 by 2, you get 12. Then again by dividing 2, you get 6. Again by dividing 2, you get 3. And again by 3. After this, you cannot divide the number. So here all these are the prime factors of 24. Now here the same is given, but only it is arranged horizontal manner. So which are the prime factors of 24? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Means when we write all the prime factors in the product form, we get the given composite numbers. Let's see with another examples. Let's see. To write a given number as a product of its prime factors is to factorize it into primes. Means whenever given number is there, to write that given number, we have to write all the prime factors in the product form. Let's see in this example. Write each of the given numbers as a product of its prime factors. Here 3 numbers are given to us: 63, 45 and 20. If you see the factors of all 3 numbers, 7 into 3 into 3, these are the factors of 63. 5 into 3 into 3, these are the factors of 45. 2 into 2 into 5, these are the factors of 20. If you see all these factors, they are prime numbers. Means any composite number we can write in the product form of the prime factors. Let's see another example. Factorize into primes 117. Here 117 number, in the unit place if you see 7 is there, it means this number is not divisible by 2. So let's go to the next factor, that is 3. If you divide by 3, then you get 39 here. Again 39 is divisible by 3, you get 13 here. And if you see 13, 13 is the prime number. So 13 is only divisible by 13 and 1. So we are going to divide here by 13. So these are the factors 3, 3 and 13. These are the factors of 117. This is the horizontal arrangement. Horizontally you can write in this way. Let's see the next example. Factorize into primes 250. This 250 is also a bigger number. So in the unit place if you see there is a 0 and this number is divisible by 2 because in the unit place 0 is given. That's why we are going to start to divide with 2. If you divide by 2 to this 250, you get 125. Again 5 is there in the unit place, it means number is divisible by 5. And if you divide by 5, you get 25. Again 25 is divisible by 5. So again divide by 5 and at the end you get only 5. And 5 is the prime number. So if you see all the factors, these are all prime numbers. And that's why we get all prime factors of this number 250. This is the horizontal arrangement of these factors. So here we studied the examples of factorization of the given number into its prime factors. Thank you.